everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, I want to share with you my everyday jewelry collection. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie and I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, but mostly handbags. Today we're doing jewelry, I guess. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, that I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, I have not a lot, but a few jewelry pieces here that I want to show. I don't know why I went British. Yes, I do have my entire jewelry box out here. I will do like close-ups and everything and show you that. But I am just gonna go over like the jewelry that I have on my hands, like my rings, my necklaces, my earrings, and everything. I will say I did not get into fine jewelry until about a year ago. So a lot of my jewelry is going to be like costume jewelry or jewelry that I got on like Amazon. I will be showing you the really nice pieces in my collection first, but then I will also show you some more affordable options and where I got them from as well. I do think that the fine jewelry is going to be like your best bet, just because if it's real gold and like real metal, you know, it's going to last forever. It's not going to tarnish or get rusted or anything like that. You can bathe with it, you can swim with it, you can work out with it, you can do whatever you want with it. And I usually do not take my rings off. I use them in the shower, I use them when I work out. Of course, I will have everything that I talk about today linked in the description. So let's talk about my hands first. These are the rings that I wear on an everyday basis. We'll start with my right hand. I have this little chain link ring on my index finger, and this is from Stone & Strand. I believe it's a newer brand. Sick rhymes. I believe this is a newer brand, and they are doing like pave diamond rings with like real gold and white gold. They have that option as well, but this one is just so pretty and I love it a lot. My middle finger, this one is from Amazon. It is just a fun, silly ring, but I wear it every day because it has my husband's initial on it. His name is Raffaello. He's Italian. So I have an R and he has a K. This is just gold plated, as you can see on the back. It's already tarnished like really badly. I like the gold has come off, but yeah, this one was like $10 on Amazon. It was just cute and I like it, so I wear it. This one right here is actually my newest, and this is also from Stone & Strand. This is a little pave nail ring. As you can see, it has little diamonds on the head of the nail and on the little butt right there, and then it is solid gold all the way around. This one too is solid gold as well, but this one I actually got yesterday, and it's so cute. It's very dainty. I like dainty rings, except for this big chunkus in the middle, but I do like dainty rings usually, and I actually got this one as a dupe for the Cartier Juste un Clou ring. I really love that ring, but it is very expensive at the moment, so I decided to get this one first to even see if I like the nail design, because who knows, I might not even like the nail design and decide not to even get the Juste un Clou. And this one had diamonds, whereas the Juste un Clou for the normal one, just the gold nail ring, doesn't have any diamonds. It just has gold. So I was like, oh, I like shiny sparkly things, so I wanted to try the diamond one. On my left hand, I don't actually have too much going on. I have this ring right here, which is a stacking wishbone ring. I think that's what they call it, and this is from Majuri. I love this ring and I want to get more pieces from Majuri at some point. I think it's so pretty, and you can separate these two, as you see right here, and then you can wear one on one finger and one on the other, or you can just stack them both on one finger, and that's what I've done. But this is just so pretty. The top band is solid gold and the bottom band is gold and has diamonds halfway around. It doesn't go all the way around, but it goes halfway. And over here on my ring finger, I have my engagement ring / wedding ring, and this is from Moon Magic Jewelry. I picked this out on purpose because I love the look of it, and this right here in the center is actually a moonstone, and then there's diamonds all around here and diamonds on the band as well. So I love moonstone. I'm very into like moons and stars and the sun and, you know, stuff like that, like zodiac. So that is what is on my hands, and I do have some other like honorable mentions that I do kind of swap out with from time to time. I have this one right here, and this was actually a gift from my mom back when I was like 13 or 14, something like that. And we got this while I was in Aruba, and it was like our second time going to Aruba, and it's absolutely beautiful. That stone in the center there is tanzanite, and it has diamonds all the way around, and it has diamonds on the band going about halfway. It's so beautiful. I really like this piece, and I wear this one when I want to have more of a silvery white gold vibe. She's very, very pretty. I love her. And then I have this one right here. Again, this one is just costume jewelry, but I got this by En Route Jewelry, and this I believe was a collaboration between Luna Montana. I just got it because, again, it's the moon, and it's like a moon and a diamond, and I like the moon, so that's why I got that. It's already started to tarnish on the back, and the gold has rubbed off. Now let's move on to my earrings. Please do not mind the state of my ears at the moment. I have chronically dry skin. Like, I mean it. It's not a joke. I have chronic dry skin. So my ears are probably like real flaky. And I put moisturizer on before I filmed this video, but I don't know if that's gonna really help. Okay, so on this ear, this is my left ear. This is my favorite ear. I don't know why, but I have this one right here on my lobe, which is actually from a brand that's called CO Jewelry, and it is Kathleen Light's sister's brand. I've been getting these boxes. I no longer get them, but I did get these boxes for a very long time, probably for like a year straight, and I have collected a lot of this. These are not the best quality. I mean, they're really cute and they're good for what you get, but like, they're not fine jewelry by any means, and they are just like gold plated. They're just hoops, but I do wear these every day. I really like these, so these are just the ones that I wear all the time. And then on my second piercing here, this is from Elizabeth Stone Jewelry, and this is fine jewelry as well. This is gold with opal, so very excited about that. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. I wish I could zoom in and like properly show you, but like my camera doesn't even want to focus when it's this zoomed in, so I guarantee you it's not gonna work. This one up here, I actually have not changed the jewelry in this piercing yet. This is the same thing that I got from the piercer. I got this one done in Italy. I could change this one. It is fully healed, but I just haven't done it yet. This one is my newest piercing. I got this last week. I've had this for a week now, and it's doing really, really well. I love this Conch Piercing. It's one of my favorites. This jewelry I didn't buy separately, like for it. I was talking to my piercer, and she sourced this jewelry, and she found it for me. So it's like, it's not diamonds, but it is titanium, and there's like little lab-grown diamonds, or maybe it's just like cubic zirconia. I have no idea, but it's very, very cute, and I love it in the conch. On this side, I genuinely have the exact same thing. There's no difference. However, I did order another piercing from Stone & Strand. I ordered a Tristar Piercing. I'll put it right here so you can see what it looks like, but I'm waiting for that to come in. I ordered it yesterday, and I'm gonna put it like right here. I think I can't wait for that. It's gonna be so pretty, but yeah, everything else is the same. Sometimes I will change out my lobe piercings for these. I really like these. This earring is costume jewelry, but I really like it. I got it from Key, Australia. Yes, the same company that sells sunglasses. I got this from there, and it's like a double-sided. This one has stars, and this one has a moon on it, so like, you bet your girl bought these, and they're so cute. Here are a couple of other earrings that I really, really love. These ones are also from En Route Jewelry, and this was a collaboration between them and Best Dressed, aka Ashley, and I really love these. I bought these the second they came out. I do like Ashley a lot. I wish she still made YouTube videos, but she doesn't, because, you know, she's too busy being a full-time model at this point, so congrats to her. But I do love these earrings a lot. I wear them quite a lot. They're quite heavy compared to my other ones, so I do like them. I don't wear them every day though, because they are so heavy, but I just think they're so beautiful. They are costume jewelry, so I do not wear these in the shower, or if I know it's gonna be a really hot day, I try not to wear these, but I still just like them. I think they're really pretty. And then of course I have these babies. These are my Chanel earrings, and you guys listen, these are not real. Full transparency, these are 1,000,000% not real. I would not buy Chanel costume jewelry at this point. I've heard so many people tell me bad experiences that they've had with Chanel costume jewelry like this, so it's not even worth it. I got these online from a website, and they're super cute. They look exactly like the real thing, so I wear these very occasionally. I don't wear them often, just because I don't know, I feel weird when I wear fake things, but they are fake and I still like them. They're cute. They're obviously not real gold or anything like that. I cannot shower with these or work out in these. They're just like the most basic of basic costume jewelry, but they're cute, right? Alright, so now let's talk about my necklace. So I only have these two on for right now, but I really like these. They're both beautiful, and I got this one from Poshmark, believe it or not. I bought this from Amber Scholl's closet. So you know Amber Scholl, the YouTuber, she's great, she's awesome, she shops for a living. Yes, she posted this on her Poshmark and I saw it and it was rose gold. It was, I believe, like $245, something like that originally that she paid for, and I got this for 80 bucks. Don't know if these are like lab grown diamonds or like pave diamonds or if they're just little sparklies. I have no idea. But it's very pretty. I do shower with this and it's never been an issue, and I really just love this necklace. It's just one of my favorites that I have. And then this one right here, I have kind of like a stack going on. I put this one on this morning because I forgot I had it. And this is from Coach, and I got this in a Fabfitfun box, believe it or not. But it's just like this rose gold chain, and it has like this little doodad, which I think has a little baby diamond in there. I don't think it's even a real diamond, but I don't know, but it's like a little sparkly. And it's very pretty and I like it a lot. So that is all I have on my neck at the moment. I will be showing some other pieces. This is the piece that I had on before I switched to this one. And of course, you guys, listen, if it's a star or a moon or a sun, I'm all for it. This is just what I like. I don't know, man. So basically, I got these from Elizabeth Stone Jewelry as well, and I really like these. I don't think this is solid gold because I did wear it in the shower like every day, and I had this on for like a year straight. It was insane, but it did tarnish really badly on the back, and there is like this black spot right there that you can see. So I don't really know what happened with that. Maybe it just wasn't meant to be in the shower, but I thought it was solid gold. It's probably not. But the necklace only comes like this by itself, but then I did get a separate little charm, a little dangle that has a little sun on it, and it's a opal sun as well. So it has an opal in the middle there. But yeah, very cute. I liked it a lot, and I wore this for a year straight, but now she's retired and she lives in the jewelry box. We're zoomed back out again. Hello, I can fully see you now. When it comes to storing my jewelry, I have a couple of places that I store it. I put my rings and things that I wear on an everyday or almost everyday basis. I put them on my Hermes little sushi plate right here. Very cute. And then I have an actual jewelry box right here. I got this jewelry box from Amazon. But it's very pretty. I really like it. It has 3 compartments. It has this top compartment right here that shows, oh, there you are, look at that. That shows all of the earrings and rings, and then it has this slide out compartment right here for necklaces and stuff, and then a bottom slide out compartment for bigger items. It wasn't really expensive either. I know you can get really expensive jewelry boxes and stuff, and those are very pretty, but like, I don't know, I'm good with that one. But you guys, that's basically my entire jewelry collection at this time. I will be doing an updated one of these, maybe at the end of the year or the beginning of next year, something like that, so we can see any new pieces that got added to the collection. But that's it for now. I love my collection right now. It is quite small compared to some other people's collections, but I still think it's cute and I like it a lot. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, everything that I can link will be linked in the description as well. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite piece that I showed today, or tell me some of your jewelry that you have, just because I love jewelry and I want to know that. But guys, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!